If you suffer from any of these, stay tuned to find out why you may have catarrh of the colon, also known as mucus colitis. Many of us have been conditioned to consume foods that are detrimental to our health. These foods contain no life and can sit on a shelf for a very long time without spoiling and are relatively inexpensive. Whether it's cooked food, junk food, grilled, or even gourmet food, it is food that is highly acidic and is able to manifest into a toxic substance of waste, thereby creating the overproduction of catarrh. Catarrh is what many of you refer to as mucus. Catarrh is a thick exudate of mucus and white blood cells caused by the swelling of the mucous membranes within the body. It is a response to an infection or foreign substance that irritates or inflames the organs due to high levels of burning acidity. This triggers the body to respond by trying to lubricate and protect itself from damage. The common cold and flu are some examples. Catarrh means to flow downward. The word catarrh was widely used in medicine before the era of modern medical science. Today, the word is no longer as widely used within the American medical practice, mostly because more precise words are available for any particular disease. Catarrh refers to either symptoms or diseases that are located in a different part of the body. For instance, eczema, psoriasis, dandruff, athlete's feet, and pneumonia are all the exact same thing, but are given a different name because of where they are located at in the body. They are all forms of mucus or catarrh. Catarrh that is not able to drain or purge from the body in the correct manner will cause blockage on the inside of mucous membranes and also create chronic health conditions that can lead to death. Tumors that have become cancerous are prime examples of blocked mucous membranes in the body. In the case of mucus colitis, the exact same thing happens. Catarrh or mucus has become stagnated in the large bowel and is able to obstruct the proper flow of waste material. It also disrupts the proper function of the large bowel because it is the result of an overactive immune system. An overactive immune system caused by mucus colitis aggressively reacts to the waste material catarrh and begins to attack the large bowel because it recognizes the abundance of mucus as harmful to the bloodstream. The autoimmune response to mucus colitis can be reversed by eating foods that are compatible, thoroughly cleaning out the digestive system, and giving the digestive organs a rest by fasting. Doing these things will allow the body to recalibrate itself and clear up the issue of an inflamed colon from excessive mucus or catarrh. For more information on how you can train your body to reverse this illness, visit www.elicore.biz and sign up for a personalized consultation tailored to your specific health needs. Remember, it's important to Elicore. That means to eliminate waste from your core, and to do this, you must always be cleansing.